is the special Children's Day celebration. And how else can we do that? We are giving the girls a beautiful package. And as you can see, we have different vocational skills. So we have different vocational centers right here. And we have our girls being trained.
And then I can remove my tape. And you can see. How many are we measuring again? Now it is on fold like this, isn't it? So
how many inches are we looking for? 10 inches. How many inches?
No, I'm going to share.
You can use 10 inches. It's bigger than this fold. Then you measure again. Which part are you going to measure?
By 11 inches. You push it and then wrap it around the middle like push. Pull this way.
So let's see what's happening. Ensure the children are busy. Please ensure the girls are busy. International. And we are saying, Happy Children's Day celebration to all our girls in the 2024. Them having is a nice earring, a beautiful you can see nice necklace, nice bracelet. So these are all beautiful. These girls are able to achieve this today. So once again we are saying to the fascinators.
This is your screen where you can view the pictures you are taking. Yes, it's on your neck. Who can tell me why? Yes, I'm not. When you come in here, you can see that there is.
Never feel like that. Just now, my own people.
We have form, we have afro, we have skin, right? Okay, now these are the items for Bobby. Hey, sit down. Can you hear me? This is a necktie. Can you hear me? This is a necktie. This is a brush of one. This 1.5. So step 1. This is called smoother. Hello. I said this very smooth. It's called the smoother. Okay? And this over the person you're barbing, right? It's called the apron, okay? tied across the neckline. That's why it's called the necktie. It's being used on the. Can you see it? This is how you use it. This is how they hook. Then you hook it around the neck like this. Having the palm. Bring the head up. Hope you can all see, right? Just stay quiet. You can see, right? Hope you still remember the name of the hairstyle, right? They are not dolphins.
Turn it around. Yes. Alright. Look at me. Turn it around. Yes. Alright, you can spread it now.
Don't use it to cover your face.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can see what they have been able to achieve from the time and die. It's indeed incredible and a beautiful, beautiful work. Everest International. Are you kidding me? Is this ridiculous? Ladies and gentlemen, fellow drivers. What we are talking about building, we are talking about construction. Construction is something that you can say, use your material, use it so that anybody that is passing, you know that this is what we are doing. Okay, so
My name is Mia. I'm in the 5 compassion.
Yes, we have the glove, the gloves, jackets, helmet.
First of all, clear the
Yeah, the builders.
Hello, good day. My name is Gichi, and behind me here is a mural art project for Children's Day. It's titled Make Your Mark. So all we have to do today is we'll create a tree. That's this layout that we've already prepped. We'll create a tree, and the tree will have fingerprints of each of the children here today. So they're going to just dip their hands in paint and paste it on the wall in different colors. So we have like a tree flowing in a rainbow-like theme. The main message of this experience is to tell each of the kids that they can make their mark in their diverse fields, whatever path they choose to go into. As the world is wild for everybody to just make their mark everywhere they go, and it takes everyone to actually create a tree. Thank you.